Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. Once again, I'm here with you with English lecture show and tell. I'm your teacher, Ma'am Homa, and I'm taking class prep English subject. Everyone, please raise your hand for dua. Dua for learning. Rabbi zidni ilma. My Lord, increase me in knowledge. For today's lecture, you only need student book with a pencil, eraser and sharpener. Student, please open page number 60. Objective of the lesson is to practice the language from the unit through a game. Okay, now children, look at the student book page number 60 and focus on page images like May, Sam, Dad, Mom, Grandfather and Anna pictures which are given on this page. Okay, now look at May picture and read out the sentence given in front of her picture. She is, there are two sentences we can make. She is jumping rope or she is dancing, full stop. Now open page number 52 and look at me what she's doing on this page. She is jumping rope. What you have to do, you have to circle the jumping rope words. Okay, now you have to complete the sentence. She is jumping rope. Now you all circle the jumping rope words. Now look at next picture, that is about Sam. Let's read. He is riding, riding a bike, bike, full stop. Another sentence is he is riding riding, riding a scooter, 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 full stop. Now look at the page number 52 and let's see what Sam is doing. Sam is riding a scooter. So you have to circle the words riding a scooter. Look at the next picture. What Dad is doing? He is running, full stop, or he is flying a kite. He is running. You have to circle the word running. RUNNING, running. You have to open page number 52 and you have to look at the people, what they are doing on this page. Same characters are given on page number 60. Now look at Mom. She is roller skating, full stop. ROLLER, roller, SKATING, skating, roller skating. Or she is running, RUNNING, running. She is roller skating. You have to circle the words roller skating. Then look at Grandpa, what he is doing. Look at page number 2 again and look at Grandpa, what he is doing there. He is riding a scooter or he is riding a bike. RIDING, riding a SCOOTER, scooter, full stop. He is riding RIDING, riding a bike, 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 full stop. You have to circle riding a bike words. Okay. Now look at the last picture of Anna, what she is doing. She is dancing, DANCING, is dancing, full stop, or she is jumping rope, JUMPING, jumping, ROPE, rope. You have to circle the word dancing. She is dancing. Open page number 61. Objective of the lesson is to make a favorite sports craft. Open page number 61 And look at the picture what the children are doing. They are holding a chart paper and there is written our favorite sports. 6 children love riding their scooters. 6 children, children, love, riding, riding. 6 children love riding, their scooters, scooters. It's my favorite sport, comma, 2, two. What you have to do? In the first two picture, you can see what the children are doing. The children are making a class graph of their favorite sports activities. How they are making the graph? What you have to do? You have to make sports graph like this and you have to paste your favorite games and pictures. Okay, now children, I hope you have understood everything which I explained in this lesson. Now stay at home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.